Hi, welcome to Nibs SMS. If you're first time user, all you have to do is click on register button on the top and fill in your detail, especially the ones marked with red asterisks. They must be filled in, and just follow the steps. Once registered, it should get you logged back in automatically. Your current time zone, it's very important, as when you set a scheduled SMS to be sent, it works out from your current time zone, so it sends your SMS at the right time. Here you may generate a password if you are finding difficult to think of a secure password, which will give you but make sure you do copy the password for you to remember or save it somewhere. It's important to select the currency you are going to be dealing with us, as this currency cannot be changed at a later stage. Here you're logged in. It should send every time you log in, it will display your current balance in the account. Under the SMS tab, you need to update your profile where it says sender SMS name. Here it takes up to 11 characters. This is the dynamic number, well, not number, instead of a number it will display your name, the characters, the fonts you insert, up to 11 characters. It will show that on your recipient's mobile. After you have edited your SMS sender's name, and when you click on save, it will log you back out. You need to log back in with your registered email address and password. Under the SMS tab, we're going to try and send a single SMS. So if we click on single, select the country we want to send, and for the number we want to send to. So here, for example, we're going to send to United Kingdom. United Kingdom, obviously you cannot enter 0 first, so it's got to be the numbers after the 0. And then if you click on the cost box, it will automatically calculate your cost, and then you type in your message. Per message, it's 160 characters. If you go above that, it will be counted as 2 messages and it will be sent into 2 parts. Now we're going to select bulk SMS. But first, before we can do bulk SMS, we need to create a database. So let's say here we're going to create a CSV file for a country, selected country here. Let's say United Kingdom. And we haven't got a database name yet, so we'll add a category, which will be the name of the database itself. And then save the category. Now we can choose the file we want to upload for that database. So here is a sample CSV. If you don't know how to create a CSV, this can be opened on Microsoft Excel. And when you will start from the second cell, as I am typing here, and enter your numbers, or copy and paste your numbers if you have the data elsewhere, and save the CSV file. It will ask if you want to change how it's just say save here. Then it will ask you to change format at some stage. If it does, do not change the format, keep the format as it is, and choose the file. You'll find the file here. That's the file we just edited. And OK, and it should display the numbers you have inserted and the country it's going to be sent to. As you can see, you can compare here. It shows you your 3 countries, 3 numbers. Now let's send the bulk SMS. First we'll say it's a predefined list, the list we have created. Choose the list we have just created, and it should give you your automatic calculation of the cost. Enter your message and click send. Every single contact on that data list will be sent the SMS you type here, so you don't have to repeat to send to every single one. At this stage you can look at the rates depending on which country you wish to send. You wish to look at the rates for. You can look at the whole country. It's paginated 10 rates per display, but if you have a specific country in mind, just select the country and have a look at the rates. We accept many forms of payment. The easiest one is to load funds via PayPal. You can directly load to your account. Skrill, but when you send payments via Skrill, you have to inform us. We will deduct the charges that Skrill will put on us and then fund your credit. UK bank transfer. Once you make a transfer to our bank account, which is listed on our website, the account numbers, same Bangladesh bank as well, if you have a Bangladeshi currency, BRAC Bank, Dutch Bangla, Prime Bank, Islamic Bank, HSBC is in UK. Make those payments and we shall credit you as soon as we receive your payment cleared in our account. Don't forget to send an email to inform us that you have sent a payment at admin@nibshost.com.